Hi everybody, Auntie Tiffany here again, and we are getting into some science once more. Today we are going to be making a lava lamp. Okay, so for this project you need your bottle of oil. Everybody would have gotten one. You need a little water. You all would have seen this tablet, probably wondering why we gave you one of these tablets. You are not sick, but this is for our science project today. And you're also going to need a glass jar or a plastic bottle that you want to reuse, like a water bottle, something that's not too big. Okay, you could also, if you'd like, watch the video, and if you have some more oil and water at home, you can make the project bigger. But today I'm working with what we sent for you. Okay, so I have this glass jar, something I can wash out after. And the last thing we need is some food coloring. Any idea what color I'm going to choose? If you guessed blue, you guessed right. So today I'm going to make my lava lamp blue. You can choose based on the colors that we sent you with. At home, everybody got different colors, but if you have food coloring at home and you'd like to use your own, that is no problem. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to pour our oil in. Okay, now I want to say one more thing, and that thing is, to get the best results for this experiment, you want to use a bottle or something slim. You realize I don't have a very fat container, so unless you're going to add some more oil and more water to make yours bigger, I suggest you use something that's nice and slim so that you can see the reaction taking place. So I'm going to pour all of my oil in. Okay, so all my oil is in. It's filled up about half the way. Now I'm going to add my water, and we're going to watch something really cool happen. Who thinks that the water and the oil are going to mix up together, and who thinks it's going to separate? Let's give it a while and see what happens. Okay everybody, so now we are back. We've waited, and look at what has happened to the oil and the water. They've separated. Does anybody know why they separated and didn't mix together? Because I know usually when we add things to water, it mixes right in. So why that happened is because our water is more dense than our oil, which means it's like it's heavier. So if you have something that's heavy, let's say like a rock, and you put it in the water, it will sink to the bottom because the rock is more dense than the water. But in this case, the water is more dense than the oil, so our water has sunk all the way to the bottom. Now, to make this a really cool lava lamp, we're going to add some color so we can see what happens. So we're going to add the food coloring. And our food coloring, like our water, is more dense than the oil, so it's going to sink all the way to the bottom. Isn't that cool? Look at how that food coloring is going into the water. Oh my goodness, that's one of the coolest things I've ever seen. So let's wait for our food coloring to sink all the way down, color our water, and then we'll step into the next part. Okay, so most of our food coloring has sunk. Now we're going to take our Alka Seltzer tablet, which creates a fizzing kind of reaction, and we are going to break it up. So I'm going to break my Alka Seltzer up, break it in half, then break those halves in halves, and now I'm going to drop it in, and let's see the water dance. Oh my goodness, look at it guys, isn't that amazing? And that is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this experiment. Send us a little video of your reaction at home, and I hope you have fun. Now, if you try this at night, you can put your flashlight on it and you light it up from the back and it'll look even cooler. I hope you enjoyed. Bye, guys.